Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today's question is divisible and non-divisible sum of difference. This is a very simple question and easy. I have solved it already, and I am going to show you the different approach, kind of mathematical approach of it. So let's dive into that mathematical approach. Let's see the question. You can read the description and all. We have given a range 1 to n, means like n in the question are the input that already given, and we check the divisibility by a m. So m is the divisibility factor that we have to check from this range, that it is divisible or not, and we get the divisible and then the non-divisible, and then we subtract each other and get the value for that. Now let's understanding of this question very easily. So we define, like, let's say our k is going to be n by m, and our numbers, let's say num2 is the divisible numbers that are divisible. So for it we say like 1m plus 2m plus 3m, and goes on and on and on. So we definitely take the m outside of this, and it goes more likely 1 plus 2 plus 3 until plus k, until the k. So the formula we derive from that would be like, if you learn from the mathematics, like sum of the of k's would be more like k plus 1 upon 2, and we have our m, so multiplied by m. Now this is this. Let me make another slide for you guys. Now for the next part, for the numbers which are not divisible, means let's take num1 which are not divisible. What we do here, non-divisible would be more like 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot 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 until our k minus by our divisibles number. So we define as num2, so that's that, and that would be more likely our formula, if you remember, k plus 1 into k upon 2 minus num2. So if we just subtract our num1 and num2, then we get, let me write as this is num1, this is num2. So we are going to get what we have here is more likely k plus 1 upon 2 and minus num 2 and minus num 2. Sorry for this handwriting, not good, very good. I am in this. So you can see that this come from the whole this, and this come from the whole this. Now you can, basic formula that we are going to use is going to be k plus 1 upon 2 minus k plus 1. Now we are going to use this to just implement that formula, and that is very easy. So for the starter, we defined our k as n divided by m, that we defined early. We just simply return n plus that would be n into n plus 1 divided by 2 minus by k plus 1 Let me multiply, yes, and multiplied by m. Let's run the code, and as you can see, every case has been accepted, and the complexity because of this formula is going to be big O of 1. Also with the space complexity is going to be big O of 1. So let's submit that. As you can see, we are getting very good complexity in the term of time and space. And if you like my videos, you can subscribe my channel. I have designed playlist for specific coding interview questions about the companies. You can also access that, and also if you have any doubt, you can comment. And if you like the video, you can like my channel, subscribe and all. Thank you.